Good afternoon, my name is Alexander with RJS Roofing. Today we're doing a temperature repair on Van Watkins roof. It is the 21st. It's about 12 o'clock. It's about 68 degrees outside. Today we'll be using an Allstate approved roof snake, a nail puller, and a shingle hammer. This is going to be the wind damaged shingle that we are attempting to repair. The first step of this process is going to be releasing this seal on the shingle so we can get the nails out. I'm going to do this as carefully as possible, just not to cause any extra damage. As you can see, a lot of these are already unsealed. Oh yeah, bam. Just like that. Okay. All right, now we're going to do a quick overview just so you can see the state of the shingles before we get started. So this is going to be our damaged shingle. Our wind damage shingle that we're starting with right here. Then over. So our middle row, our top row. And right here. So as you can see, it's not too horrible to begin with. The granules are not too bad. We'll start with our nail puller and our first shingle here. Top side. All right. Quick overview, just to kind of show you guys what it's looking like now. So, sorry about that. So you can actually see right there, the very deep crease that's kind of forming. It starts here in this upper left side, all the way across. You can see it deep on that right side too. Moving forward. Shingle. About that. Granule is very loose on this roof, as you can see. Next overview. Again, you can see a line that's forming at the top of the shingle, starting all the way, the upper left, all the way over. Third shingle, third tab. This was very deep. Here we are. Okay. Another overview. So again, you can see at the very top there, the line that's pretty much appeared at the top of the shingle, just from removing that nail there. And starts up here, goes all the way across. Okay, moving down to our next row. Keep our footing. Little nail under here. This one right here. Okay. Quick overview here. So you can see that line that's appearing there at the top of the shingle, all the way across, starting here at the upper left side of the shingle, moving all the way across there to the top right. Here you are. So, my next shingle. second to last, quick overview here. So again, you can see the line that's appeared at the top of the shingle, all at the top here, starting over here on this left side, moving all the way across to the right. Moving to our last one. We've got 2 nails here. One nail, second nail, okay, here we go with our second nail. Give you a quick overview and then we'll get our new shingle in there. So once again, you can see the line that's formed at the top of the shingle all the way across. We get able to get our shingle out now. Okay, so we're missing a nail. We're still missing one. Looks like there's a nail in there somewhere still. Find that. It's right here. Just a high up one. Oh yeah. This nail is very high, way too high. Okay. Now we should be able to remove the shingle. Our new one in. Okay, we'll be using our roof snake to replace these nails. Just lifting up the shingle just enough to get our snake in there. Couple more. More. Okay. At the beginning of this process, we started with 1 damaged tab and 1 damaged shingle. And we're going to give you a quick overview of what we're looking like now. So we now have additional damage on this tab, this tab, as well as this tab right here. On our top row, we have damage along this top tab, this middle tab, and this tab as well. So from 1 damaged tab to 7, from 1 damaged shingle to 3. This is going to be the case on the rest of this roof, as 91 shingles have been requested to be repaired. We're going to have to say this is a failed repair test. as this roof is not in a repairable state. Thank you for your time.